You're like me and you hate to go to bed with your hair wet because your pillow gets wet and like it's so irritating to sleep with hair that is wet all night because it's moving around. I recently got this blow dryer off TikTok Shop that will dry your hair in like 2 minutes. Literally, by the time you turn it on and get to drying, your hair is already dried. More than 500 plasmas in it, okay? It's supposed to help with elasticity in your hair and remove the frizz that you always get from blow drying your hair. Don't believe me? Let's put it to test. I'm going to blow dry my hair in front of you and see how long it'll take. The really cool thing about it is it has a light indicator to tell you which one is which. So for the really, really hot one, you got red. For the warm, you got blue. For the cool, you got purple, and for the really, really hot, you got purple, dark purple, which is awesome. That's amazing. I want to demonstrate how strong it is. It has an item in here, okay? And this is made out of glass, okay? Watch when I turn it on. Again. Let's dry our hair. Holy moly. Like going through a car wash. That is fast. Oh my gosh. My hair was dry in like 2 minutes. Literally, this is the best purchase I have purchased on TikTok Shop. It dries your hair so fast and it feels like you're going into a car wash and how strong it is. You guys, and they have a sale right now on it for $50 on the TikTok Shop. So go get yourself one. This is the best Christmas gift you can give anyone because if you don't like blow drying your hair and taking forever, this is the thing for you. It will dry your hair so fast. To link it down below and I'm going to add it to my showcase. So if you guys want to go get yourself one.